Hey, thanks for joining the Hair Bow Master today. We're going to be making these star flower hair bows. We're going to start out with two different colors of grosgrain, 1.5 inch, 6 pieces each at 5 inches in length. We're going to take one of each color, stack them on top of each other, and use our lighter to seal the ends so that they are melded together. And we are going to do the same thing for each and every one of our pieces. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to fold up our ribbon so that you can see each color, and you're going to fold it over to where you can see just a little bit of that other color on the back, and then fold it over again so that at the top you have a point in the opposite color, and then take your right piece and put it back behind that left piece and make sure that the bottoms are nicely lined up, and kind of straighten it as you go. Then take a pin and stick it through all the layers so that you can hold them while you do the rest of your petals. Now we're going to do the same thing to our other 3 pieces, except they're going to be the opposites in color. Once we got all of our petals, we're going to line them up in alternating colors so that when we put them on our thread, they're going to be a pink one, then a white one, then a pink one, a white one, so forth. Making sure that the ends are completely lined up. You want to go through all the layers. So start with your needle going through 1, up 2, and making sure the other side is also lined up. Then we're going to go to the middle, through 3, up 4, down 5, and up 6. And then you're going to be left with 3 bumps in the center of the petal, and pull it onto your thread, making sure that you alternate the colors as you go along. Once you've got all your petals on, you're going to take both ends and you are going to tie them together and start cinching it up as much as you can, and put a good couple of knots in your thread and then snip it off. Now we're going to glue each of the petals to the other petal on the left of it. So just put a little touch of glue on each petal and stick it to the next petal over. And do that to all of your petals. Now we're going to take our piece of felt and glue it to the back, and then put some more hot glue right in the center of that to fill it in, and we're going to let that cool. Take your quick grip, it's like a contact cement, that'll help keep your centerpiece on. We're going to put a little bit around the edges of both your bow and your centerpiece. Put a little bit more hot glue in the center and stick that on there so that it'll hold it while the other glue dries, and that way your centerpiece will not come off. Taking your other felt piece, cut 2 slices about 1/4 of an inch apart into the center so that you can put your alligator clip through it. Then on the back side of it, you're going to put some hot glue onto that and then stick it to your other piece of felt that is on the back of your bow. And now you have a beautiful star-shaped flower hair bow. You can also play around with different size ribbons in different lengths so that you can get a different look, and just play around with it and have fun. Thanks for joining the Hair Bow Master, and I will see you in the next video.